Hey, so I thought I'd do a little quick video to show you how to use this Protractor app that I just posted a link on. So let's say we want to try to make a triangle that has angles of 50 degrees and 30 degrees. So first thing we want to do is actually pull out our ruler. And yours is probably straight. I was messing around with it a little bit. So to twist it, what you want to do is grab a corner and just kind of bring it down. And it doesn't have to be like perfectly parallel or anything like that, but I'm going to try to get it as straight as I can. And then once you've got the ruler set up, just kind of run your finger along or run your mouse along and it'll draw a nice little thing. And so I'm actually going to leave the ruler here. And so now hit the protractor button. And so I want to slide the protractor along to one of the corners. And to now make a 50-degree angle, what I'm going to do is actually grab the ruler again and go up to where it's 50 degrees on the protractor. Oops, moved a little bit. Let me slide it here a little bit. So again, this isn't going to be perfect, but it's good enough. Let's see. Let me rotate a little bit more. And so now, again, just draw. In this case, extend the line as far as you can because we don't know where they're going to intersect in this case. So that's my 50-degree angle. So now grab the protractor, go down to the opposite side, and now we want to do a 30-degree angle off of this. So let me bring this down. And so let me move the opposite side up to 30 degrees. Oops, looks like the bottom's off a little bit. So you can move this around, like to get it perfect. And then again, once you've got it, draw until they intersect. And then if you click the protractor and the ruler, it goes away. So in this case, that would be my 50-degree angle down here, 30-degree angle on the right. And so now we can see that this definitely makes a triangle, and you can kind of go from there. So if you have any questions with it or anything, let me know.